So next up, guys, got a good dump truck here. So this is a 1994 Mack RD688S. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but aluminum box, tri-axle dump truck, guys. Local consignor has an excavation company, brought in a pair of these. Have had very good service and maintenance records, guys. I think this one's got maybe an E7 400 horse Mack motor. It's got a Maxitorque transmission, right around 585,000 miles. You have aluminum rims there, looks like, on the rear. You have a rear hitch as well. Rubber's good all the way around. Big super singles up front. Starts up, seems to run pretty dang good. I'm here with Pat. He'll go ahead, he'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up. Both these trucks, guys, would have passed a DOT inspection. Recently, they were used up until last fall. Like I said, he brought them in to sell them, but dang nice pair of trucks. So all your tail lights should work, turn signals work, things of that nature. Your front rims are steel, but I think the rear rims are, looks like at least the exterior rim looks to be aluminum. You actually got the aluminum box, that'll run it up and down for you. Got pictures of the frame and everything like that too. Just gonna get that box up. I think it's maybe on the dash. I don't know if he's ran this truck before.